Hi kids, good morning. Good morning parents. I hope you all are taking good care of yourself. Stay healthy and strong. So today we have a new activity for our tiny tots, and that is grouping. In this we are going to combine few things together which is related to each other in certain way. So let's see how we can create a grouping activity for our tiny tots at home. So let's begin. So for grouping activity, this is the simplest one which is available at home. I have taken one tray here and I put different spoons, knives and fork here. So for first set of activity, you can tell your kids to categorize all these things according to the material. Like I have plastics and steels. So they can segregate the things related to the material, like plastic one on the one side and a steel on another side. So they start segregating. It's plastic, so keep it here. It's plastic here. It's plastic. It's steel. But this one is wooden. So keep it here. Plastic, steel. Sorry, steel. So they'll segregate the things related to the materials. Steel here and plastics here. And the wooden in tray itself. So set 2 activity with the same material. Now they have to segregate these things according to the items. The things they have in this tray, they have to segregate accordingly. Like I have spoon, fork and knife. So they have to segregate all the 3. Like this is knife, one side, a spoon, another side, fork, one side, it's spoon. So in the spoon section, this is fork on a fork section, this is spoon, fork, these 2 forks, knife on the knife section. So they have to categorize according to the items. Spoons one side, forks and the knives. Or you can change the material, as I have created few paper shapes here. You can create these kinds of different color shapes and do the same activity as well. Now in this they have to categorize according to the color or according to the shape. One set at one time. Like I have created first one is for the color. So all the yellows in this container. So wherever they have seen yellow color, put it in that. Orange in this container, green in this container, and the blue one is in this container. So according to the color, they have to do this segregation and create different groups. So this way they have to segregate all the colors. Or they can segregate according to the shapes, like all the circles in this container. So they have to find out the circles and put it in this container. All the rectangles or this shape, as they don't know the name of all the shapes, so they can see this. So this shape in this container. All the triangles in this container. And all the squares in this container. So this time they have to segregate according to the shapes. It's rectangle, it goes in this. This is triangle, goes in this. Circle again, circle container. Rectangle again, rectangle container. Square in square container. So this way you can create this kind of material. So see, it's pretty easy. You can create this kind of activity at home for our young ones. So do try out, and till then take care. Bye bye.